Good morning, everyone, and welcome to our EVS class. So, we all are learning about our sense organs in EVS class, right? We are learning about our sense organs. Who can tell me how many sense organs do we have? You can write on the chat also. How many sense organs do we have? You can show with your fingers. You can write on the chat box. How many sense organs do we have? Yes, I can see a lot of children writing on the chat. Very good. Very good. Yes, Ganesh, how many sense organs do we have? Can you unmute and tell me?
Ma'am, 5.
5 sense organs. Very good, Ganesh. Good job. Okay. Now, I want, let me see who can answer. Okay, Arnav, I can't see you. Arohi, I can't see you. Guria, I can't see you. Nandan, Nikhil, Giri, I can't see you. Okay, Angel. Angel, tell Didi which are the 5 sense organs. 5 sense organs we have. Tell me the names of the sense organs. Angel.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, tell me the name the 5 sense organs. Which are the 5 sense organs?
Ears,
Yes.
nose,
Hmm.
eyes, tongue,
Hmm. And last one.
hands,
Sorry, I can't hear you. What is the last one? What is this on our, all on our body?
skin.
Skin. Good job. Excellent, Angel. Very good. Yes. You can write on the chat box also. Which are the 5 sense organs? Everyone will repeat after me. Everyone will say after me. Eyes. I can't hear everyone. Eyes. Ears. Nose. Tongue. And skin. Everyone will show me their fingers and repeat. I can't see everyone's finger. Only Ganesh is showing me fingers. Raghuveer is showing me fingers. Shlok is showing me fingers. Show me 5 fingers quickly. Arohi is showing me. Mihir is showing me. Where are the others? Arya is showing me 5 fingers. Mihir, Raghuveer, Mahi, Shubhra, very good. Ganesh, Arya, Rudra, very good. I want to see everyone's 5 fingers. We are going to repeat the sense organs. Yes. Lavanya showing me 5 fingers. Okay. Aksha is showing me 5 fingers. Very good. Now let's repeat after me. Okay, repeat after me. Eyes with your fingers. Eyes. Say after Didi. Eyes, ears, nose, tongue, skin. Yes, I can see some children are repeating, some children are just sitting. Again, eyes, ears, nose, tongue, and skin. Very good. These are the 5 senses, no? Okay, now I'm going to sing a poem. Yeah, you can sing after me or you can sing with me. Ready for the poem, everyone? Okay. You can sing with me, okay? On my face, I have 2 eyes. Say after Didi. On my face, I have 2 eyes. I can see with my eyes. Say after Didi. I can see with my eyes. Very good. I can see Sundaram. I can see Shreya. They are repeating. Mahi is repeating. Raghuveer is also repeating. Touch your eyes and tell me. Lavanya, very good. Arohi, very good. Himanshu, very good. Shlok, Adarsh, Atifa, Rajan. Everyone will repeat after me. Okay. On my face, I have 2 years. Have 2 years. Have 2 years. On my face, I have 2 years. I hear with my ears. We hear with our ears, no? I hear with my ears. Very good. I can see Shubhra. I can see Sundaram. Rudra. Abhiraj, you also have to sing. Okay. Next. On my face, I have one nose. Have one nose. Have one nose. On my face, I have one nose. I can smell with my nose. Everyone smell? I can smell with my nose. Very good. Sumojit is doing. Abhiraj is doing. Ganesh is doing with me. Finger on your nose. I can smell with my nose. Okay. Now on my face I have one tongue. Have one tongue. Have one tongue. On my face I have one tongue. I taste with my tongue. We taste yummy, yummy food. No, Mama makes yummy, yummy, delicious food, and we taste with our tongue. Show me your tongue. Everyone, show me your tongue. Roll your tongue. Very good. I taste with my tongue. Now, on my body, I have skin. Have skin. Have skin. On my body I have skin. I feel with my skin. हम skin से feel करते हैं ना? We feel with our skin. If it is hot, mama gives you hot milk. So you say, oh mama, it is very hot. So you feel with your skin, right? Very good. Bhagwat, very good Riya, very good Khushi, very good Chaitanya. Very good, Angel. Excellent. You all were very good. Pat yourself, everyone, for the song. Good job. Okay, now I'm going to show you something and I'm going to ask you a lot of questions today. Okay, today we will do a recap of our sense organs. Now, when Didi will ask you questions, I will ask the name also. Only that person will answer. जिसका नाम लिया वही answer करेगा. Others can write on the chat. You can write on the chat box your answers. Okay. Now, Khushi Solanki, can you tell Didi what do you do with your eyes? हम eyes से क्या करते हैं? What do you do with your eyes?
मेरे सिर में
See, what do you do with your eyes?
पे चिपका था मम्मी अब तू
Khushi बोलो. Khushi बोलो. What do you do with your eyes? खुशी आप आइस से क्या करते हो? हम आइस से देखते हैं. Very good, Khushi. Okay, who can tell me in full sentence in English? Let me see. Who can tell me in full sentence and in English also? Yes, Mahi. What do we do with the eyes?
I see with my eyes.
Very good, Archit. Mahi, what do we do with your eyes? Yes, Mahi, what do you do with your eyes?
See the eyes.
I see with my eyes. Everyone will say after Didi.
I see with my eyes. I see with my eyes. I see with my eyes. दीदी हम लोग आइस से देख के दीदी मैंने आपने मुझे म्यूट किया है। दीदी आप म्यूट में हो।
Oh, sorry. Okay. Tell me, what do you do with your nose? What do you do with your nose, Lavanya?
दीदी हम लोग नोज से सूंघते हैं।
सूंघते हैं. Okay. Who can tell me that in English? Mihir. What do we do with our nose? Yes. Tell me. I can't hear you. Say again.
I can smell with my nose.
Very good, Mihir. I can smell with my nose. Everyone will say after Didi, I can smell with my nose. Riya? Riya, tell Didi, I can smell with my nose. Can you repeat? Riya, please repeat. Okay, Riya is not able to unmute herself. Let's go to Abhiraj. Abhiraj, what? Repeat after Didi. I can smell with my nose. Say.
With my nose.
Again, I can't hear.
Smell my
Very good, Abhiraj. Okay, now let's go to Sumojit. Sumojit, what do you do with your ears? What do you do with your ears? Sumojit, what do you do with your ears?
हम सुनते मैम।
सुनते हैं. Very good. Can you tell me in English? Chaitanya, what do you do with your ears? Tell me in English.
मैम ears is here मतलब अगर मैं बोला आपको तो आप सुनने दे रहे हैं। ears is here to the
Okay.
ear.
Okay. Repeat after Didi. I hear with my ears.
I hear my ears.
I hear with my ears. Okay. Khushi, can you also repeat? Khushi Solanki. I hear. Hear ka spelling Didi is writing on the chat. I hear with my ears. Yeah? Yes, Khushi? Okay. Let's go to Pari. Pari, what do you do with your ears? Unmute Pari.
Ma'am.
Say, I hear with my ears. Say, Pari.
Yes, ma'am.
बोलना है आपको दीदी को. I
In the my ears.
I hear
My ears in the my ears.
with my ears. Okay? Not in the my. With my ears. Very good. Go on mute, Pari.
The my ears.
Okay, Rudra. Rudra, what do you do with your tongue? Rudra, what do you do with your tongue? Where is Rudra? Yes, Rudra, unmute and tell me what do you do with your tongue? What do you do with your tongue? Rudra, we can't hear you, Rudra. Okay, Afsha, tell me what do we do with our tongue? Afsha, tell me what do we do with our tongue? Unmute, Afsha. What do we do with our tongue? Afsha, are you able to? Yes, Afsha, unmute yourself. What do you do with your tongue? Yes, I can hear you now. Tell me. Tongue से क्या करते हैं? What do we do with our tongue? Taste. Can you say in full English, full sentence? Can you say that in English? I taste with my tongue. Say.
I say with my tongue.
Very good. Arohi, say I taste with my tongue. Arohi, I can hear you. Arohi Pradhan. I taste with my tongue.
I taste with my tongue.
Very good. Aradhya Sanugale, can you tell Didi what do you do with your skin? Aradhya, what do you do with your skin? Skin से क्या करते हैं हम? What do we do with our skin? I can't. हाँ, Aradhya, unmute and tell me. What do you do with your skin? Yes, I can see a lot of kids writing on the chat. What do you do with your skin? Skin से क्या करते हैं हम? Write on the chat, everyone. What do you do with your skin? Yes, I can see a lot of children writing. I can't hear you, Aradhya. Let's go to someone else. Bhumiraj. Bhumiraj, what do you do with your skin? Bhumiraj Patil.
Yes.
What do you do with your skin? Skin से हम क्या करते हैं?
स्किन से फील होता है.
Feel होता है. Very good, Bhumiraj. Who can tell me full sentence? What do you do with your skin? Skin से हम क्या करते हैं? Let me go to Arohi. Arohi Ritesh. Arohi Ritesh, can you hear me? What do you do with your skin, Arohi?
Skin.
Say, I feel with my skin. Say, I feel with my skin.
Skin. I skin.
I feel with my skin. Yes, Arohi? Okay, can everyone see my screen? Yes, I want everyone to write the answers on the chat box quickly. Number 1, I use my dash to see. What I use to see? What do I use to see? Write on the chat box. I want to see the answer on the chat box. Question number 1. What do I use to see? Very good. Guria has written the answer. Mahi, Arnav, Arnav, what do you use to see? Okay, Raghuvir is writing on my screen. Raghuvir, no writing on my screen. Write on the chat. What do you use to see. Very good. I can see some children writing. But don't write on my screen, write on the chat. Okay. We use our eyes to see. Very good. Number one is eyes. We use our eyes to see. Okay. Now, number two, I use my dash to eat. What do I use to eat? हम क्या करते हैं eat करने के लिए? Let me see on the chat if you all are writing. Everyone should write on the chat, okay? Himanshu, Rajan. Okay, everyone is writing. Okay. I use my mouth to eat. हम mouth से खाते हैं ना? Yes. Number three, I use my dash to smell. How do I smell? I want everyone to write. How Archit, Ganesh, Mahi, what do you smell with? Arohi, Raghuveer, everyone is writing. Aksha is writing. Very good. Excellent. Correct answer. I use my nose to smell. Good job. Okay, now let's see. Number four. I want everyone to write the answer on the chat, okay? I use my dash to touch. What is the organ which I use to touch? Come on, write on the chat box. How do I touch and how do I feel something? Oh, okay, Mihir is writing. Okay, Arohi, very good. Mahi, very good. Spelling is wrong, Mahi. You can correct your spelling. Archit, very good. Everyone will write. Don't raise your hand. Write it on the chat. Yes, you can either write your hand or your skin. We use a hand or skin to touch. Good job, everyone. Now the last one. I use my dash to taste. How do you taste? What organ you use to taste? Everyone's answer on the chat box I want. Taste, yes. Mihir is writing, Raghuveer is writing. I use my dash to taste. Which organ we use to taste? Very good, Arohi Sharma, Arohi Pradhan. Everyone will write on the chat box. I'm watching everyone's answer. Yes, we use our tongue to taste our food. Archit is writing. Rajan is writing. Very good. Ganesh is writing. Anvit is writing. Everyone will write. Aksha, correct the spelling. Samiksha is writing. Mahi, Raghuveer. Raghuveer, we are on the fifth one. What I use to taste. हम taste के लिए क्या use करते हैं? Okay, now let's go to the next part. Okay. Now, I want everyone to look here, okay? I want everyone to write in your notebook all the 5 sense organs name. Eyes, ears, nose, tongue, and skin. Everyone will write in their notebook. Let me see who's writing. Who's writing? Let me see. Arohi is writing. All the 5 senses names you will write. Aradhya, start writing. Very good. Himanshu is writing. Shlok is writing. Guria, Bhagwat, Nandan, Ansh, Om, Samiksha, Arnav, Didi can't see you. Okay, all the 5 senses names you will write in your notebook. Afreen, Atifa, write in your notebook. start writing. Very good. I can see Aksha is also writing. And when you're done, you will write done in the chat. Okay. Everyone will start writing. All the 5 senses. All the 5 senses you will write quickly, quickly. Okay. I hope everyone finished writing. Now I'm sharing something on the screen. Yes, I'm sharing something on the screen. I want everyone to look at my screen. Yes. See, the first question. Who am I? Okay, this is who am I. I use this to watch television. हम टेलीविजन देखने के लिए इसे यूज करते हैं. Who am I? कौन हूं मैं? Who helps us to watch the television? Write the answer. Write the answer in your notebook quickly, quickly. Everyone will write the answer in the notebook. Rajan, can you tell Didi what helps us to watch television? Unmute and tell me. Others will write in their notebook quickly. Yes, Rajan. Who helps us to watch television? TV. टीवी देखने हमें कौन हेल्प करता है राजन? Who helps us to watch TV?
पूछ रही है बताओ.
See this one. Who helps to watch TV? Okay, Rajan is not able to hear. Who can answer, Didi? Who did not answer yet? Himanshu. Himanshu, who helps us to watch TV? Himanshu, unmute and tell Didi. टीवी देखने हमें कौन हेल्प करता है? हाँ?
मम्मी.
मम्मी. हमारे बॉडी में कौन हेल्प करता है हमें टीवी देखने? Which sense organ? हाँ?
हैंड.
हैंड से आप टीवी देखते हो? हिमांशु, हैंड से टीवी देखते हैं हम.
जी. आईज.
Eyes. Very good, Himanshu. Eyes help us to watch TV.
संजय बोले हम बता देंगे.
Okay, now let's go to question number 2. I use this to hear my mother call my name. मम्मा जब भी मुझे बुलाती है तो मुझे ये हेल्प करता है. How do you know your mama is calling you? आपको कैसे पता आपकी मम्मा बुला रहे हैं आपको? Who helps you? Shubhra, tell me, who helps you to know that your mama is calling you? Which body part helps you?
Here.
Ear, very good. हम सुनते हैं ना ear से जब मम्मा बुलाती है. Mama calls the ear with our ears. Very good. Divesh, question number 3. I use this to taste ice cream. Who helps us to taste ice cream? Cold ice cream.
Mouth.
What is in the mouth? Inside the mouth. What is this? Divesh, what is inside our mouth which helps us to taste? Okay, I can't see Divesh. Adarsh. Adarsh, you tell Didi. Yes, Adarsh, tell Didi. Who helps us to taste?
Yes, Didi.
Taste करने कौन helps us? Tongue. Very good, Adarsh. Good job. Okay, now next, I use this to smell flowers. Flowers smell करने में help करता है हमें. Who helps to smell flowers? Bhagwat, can you tell Didi? Or Nandan, you can also tell Didi. Who helps us to smell flowers? Nandan, who helps to smell flowers? Tell Nandan, we can hear you. We can't hear Nandan. Nandan, we can't. हाँ, Nandan बोलो. Who helps to smell flowers? Okay, I hope everyone is writing. Nandan is not able to unmute. Okay. Raghuveer, tell me who helps to smell flower. Where is Raghuveer? Yes, Raghuveer, who helps to smell flowers?
Yes, Didi.
Flower smell करने कौन help करता है हमें?
Nose.
Nose. Very good. हमें nice fragrance comes ना? Okay, last one. I put soap over this while bathing. Soap लगाते हैं हम इस पे. What is that? And we feel soft, something soft on our body. Divesh. Rudra, Divesh, try if you can unmute. Pari. Pari, what do we do? Arohi, who helps us to know that something soft is there, so soft soap is there on our body? Who helps? Okay. Oh, Didi has written the answer also for you. Okay. Now, this meeting will end, okay? If you have not done, that is okay. Didi will send this on the WhatsApp chat for you all to complete, okay? Now we are done with our EVS class. We can say bye-bye to everyone and leave the meeting.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye,
Bye,
everyone.
ma'am. Bye. Bye.